What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, James Harden of the Houston Rockets, and I have got a math problem for you for Tarver Academy. Let's get started. Okay, so the question is, if R equals 9, B equals 5, G equals negative 6, then what does R plus B minus G, all in parentheses, times B plus G equal? Okay? I'm going to pause, you pause this, I'm not pausing it. You pause it, see if you can figure this out, and then we'll work it together, see if you got it right. Excellent. Okay, so in this problem, what we're doing is it's giving us what these variables are. It's told us what R is, what B is, and what G is, okay? That's a real G right there. What we're trying to do is we are wanting to essentially replace the letters of the alphabet down here with these numbers. Now, here's where people usually mess up on this. They get, they either mess up on like the plus and minus signs and not bringing them down correctly, or they'll do stuff out of order and get the wrong equation. So we're still gonna do the, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, remember that? The parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So we're gonna do that, but first thing we gotta do is we gotta be very careful about putting the correct numbers in here. If we don't, we're most likely going to get this wrong, but we're going to do it right. So here we go. So I'm going to essentially take every single character from this and I'm going to bring it down one by one. Parentheses. Now, R. What's replacing my R? 9 is. When it's equal to it, it means it's equivalent. It means it's the same thing. That means they can be swapped out. Okay, so 9. This is where we got to be careful on the signs. Plus B, which is 5. Minus sign, G, which is negative 6. This would have been tricky right here. Make sure you put negative 6. Don't look at it and go, oh, well, we've got the minus sign from here, so I don't have to put that. You have to put it, okay? So don't mess up right there. Close parentheses, new parentheses, B is 5, plus sign, G, which is negative 6. Okay. We're good to go. Now we're just solving this equation. None of this matters anymore if we put this in here correct. So all we're going to do is we're going to solve what is in the parentheses first, and then we'll do that last. We'll have the parentheses interact. So 9 plus 5 is what? 14. And then minus a negative. Anytime you minus a negative, they're going to cancel each other out and make a plus sign. Okay, so two wrongs make a right. Well, just in math. Plus sign 6. I can go ahead and simplify this. What is 5 plus a negative? When you plus a negative, it's different. The minus sign overtakes it. So it's really 5 minus 6, which is negative 1. Okay, let's finish it out. 14 plus 6 is 20. And then anytime you have parentheses like this, that just means that you're supposed to multiply those two. So 20 times negative 1 is negative 20. And we found our answers, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I'm NBA basketball player James Harden, and this is Tarver Academy. If you want to subscribe, that's cool. But if not, I hope you have a great day either way. See you guys later. Peace. Buckets. Stirring it.